BluntCut MetalWorks, November 14, 2020. I'm testing HT5A, and the goal of the heat treat is to improve the impact load and increase wear resistance. However, this test basically the impact load, and the test is going to do the edge capability. If it's able to pass certain tests, then it's capable of doing that, and fail when it exceeds its limit. Anyway, I mean, basically I'm looking at the edge, with the edge, and the capability is when they do some tests, the edge can roll a little bit. Also, they can you want a little bit of roll, a little bit of deformation. On this case would be displacement like this, and there could be a little wobbling, rippling or deflection, and a little fracture. But that is the balance that you're looking for. But again, I'm testing the high alloy steel, so with the hardness where they have only one mode, just fracture, or it's just got to be missing, whatever, it's just gone. So that kind of thing, it break. So anyway, this is S90V 65 Rockwell, and all the tests going to be sharpened with the edgepro, using diamond plate and stone, and finish at 1200 grit water stone, diamond water stone, and on the edgepro 15 degrees per side. The edge would it's good enough. I use this now to cook octave soup last night. Anyway, I'm going to try to make it short. This is Argentine Lignum Vitae. Anyway, and okay, so that is slice. But this is the heat treat is check the impact. I don't want to make too much noise here. And you can look up the wood database or the Jenk out there like that and see what is how hard and how this wood is. Okay. I think it's passed. If it fracture or roll or something, they have thicker than certain thickness, then they won't be able to slice phone book paper. So that is it. Okay, so this where it could exceed its limit. Hard cut. This is just a curry can. It's pretty good thickness though. Doesn't dent very much. Okay, we see how that S90V does. Look like it passed. So, well, the impact. This is the impact load. I think achieve it, and also because this thing going to be, well, this thing will be slicing, but however, there's still a lot of pressure and a lot of movement. So I consider a sort of continuous impact. It did okay. Got a cold in my office today, in this workroom. CPM T-15, a 66.5 Rockwell. Oh yeah, this is a. I had to point out because why I put handle on all these things before I test, because really easier to test with a handle. And this is the curly mango here, because they all have partial tang. So did this. And so this is CPM T-15. There's a little hiccup right there, but that's okay. Yeah, there's hiccup. I did a prelim test, but I mean I don't want to so ignore that little hiccup you can see. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so that's just show that the pre-initial condition versus versus test the condition. All right. I mean, I tacked it right here, so if you see a little hold up, whatever before, it passed this test. I just marked it. Oh, I just use another can then. I'm not going to do that test that often. Alright. I'm looking around for the seam. I don't want to just make an even test. One, two, three, four, five. Oh, got a little noisier, but again. I mean, if you have big, nasty fracture, you're not going to slide a paper, phone book paper like that. Oh, yeah, okay, what that? Not sure that what way out here. Okay. Yeah, there's something way out there, right here. This curve. And the key thing is, I mean, they'll be able to stop the slice of the phone book. Phone book is pretty thin paper. So I would consider it passed. It probably have something back at this belly right here. I would say it's capable to do the task because this edge is functional afterwards. It's not fail. It didn't fail because the test is slicing the phone book paper. Okay, so I mean S90V and T15, they probably have about the same carbide volume or so, somewhere close to 20%, I think. And yeah, this is a curly core, and this is stabilized Azalea bird. Anyway, this is CPM T-15V at 67 Rockwell. This is fairly smooth. I cut still. I don't know what I needed here. I didn't sharpen it well. And then this test is so rough that when if you say the edge not super clean, I don't worry about it need to be that clean because it's based in hard test. Alright, that's what the Argentine Lignum Vitae chop. That chop pretty much into the wood, by the way. So, it's not deflection or anything like that. So, mainly compression with a little steering perhaps. But, alright. I can hear the noise. Slicing phone book can be, depend if you bend over, it always get a wonky. But and also that wood is have a lot of resin. I said that passed the test. There's no problem slicing phone book. All right, you can then. One, two, three, four, five. If the edge cannot handle it, you fail within 1 or 2 or 3 slices. I can cut more, but the can won't get too much when you press this down, and it gets unstable. So I don't like that. All right. So how this go? It's helped a few hesitation right there. I feel a hesitation right here a little bit. But again, let me. Oh wait, I cut into the notch. Okay. Straight line, no tears, no. Again, the edge passed the test for this impact. I did not test edge limit. You have to pass you have to go into failure big time to see what it limits. So I only test capability. There's a support able to, up and can, and able to cut thing. Of course, if you do, that will be too. A lot of times you see finish the test, people say, wow, that's quick. No, a slow cut is the one that counts. Okay, slow cut. This thing has got wobble. Slow slice. That's what counts. Thanks for watching.